Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are in a fabulous day. Today, we are going to be making those two little belly bands. Belly bands are literally like little bands that you put on your journal to slide in ephemera, cards, pop-up elements. They're like a little bookmark if you wish, but they are attached to the page. And to make those little two cuties, I have used my VIP Lounge membership papers for the month of August. In case you are new to me, my VIP Lounge is simply a membership where every month from the starting price of £3, you get loads digital goodies. Before I show you how to make those little cuties, let me share everything that you get for the month of August. The main collection is called Strawberries Fields. Of course, I'll show you why. It's a digital paper collection full of kind of like pastel-y color, full of vintage. There's like recipes and envelopes, but there's a lot of butterflies. There's a background. There are a couple of pages with ephemera that you guys can fussy cut. There's a page that's been designed to be cut in half as a two journal pages. So another one is a collection of tags, another background they can cut in half. Oh, this is probably my favorite. You got like the ribbons, and it's all like pastel-y, soft pink, reds and green. This is another favorite of mine. And then last, there are a collection of stamps. I gave you 3 pages with all different sizes. So this is like slightly larger and smaller. That's more like rectangular, like portrait side, and that's more like landscape with some squares as well. So loads of things you can make. Then every month you get a collection of bookmarks that can be used as tags, and so cute. How cute are those? So this month you get 6 little tags that you can literally like fussy cut with all the animals. I mean, can you be any cuter? The theme this month was the fields, the farm. There's like strawberries, there's animals, but also based on the strawberries field, every month you guys get a number. We have completed the alphabet gift boxes, so we have done from letter A to letter Y, all the alphabet letters, 3D gift boxes. Of course, my VIP members got them for free, but you can purchase them on my website. Okay, and now we have started the number. So last month we done number 0, and then this month we done number 1. So this is to get a template with assembly instruction, and then that's the template that you can literally fussy cut and put it all together. And because I had half, like 3/4 of the page blank, I designed this tag that, again, quite large, that you guys can fussy cut. But let me show you what the number 1 looks like when it's done up. Okay, this is number 1, super cute, stand perfectly straight. You can use it, of course, to write a number as a 3D. You can also use it as a gift box to put treats in there. Yeah, super cute. Love it. And of course, it's all on all sides. That's the front and back. Also, every month you get a free digital magazine. Yes, you get loads for your money with my subscription. Every month the magazine changes. So this month is a past edition of the Artists and Illustrators magazine. We have had food cooking magazine, fashion magazine, Molly Makes magazine. It changes all the time because I wanted to give you something different every month. So the Artists and Illustrators magazine is a wonderful magazine to read, not just to discover new talented artists, but also for an art point of view. You can even print these lovely pages because they're full of art. You can use them in your journals, you can use for mixed media, or you can either frame them and use them as a little poster as well. There's lots of wonderful articles as well. Last but not least, you get a gift from me. This month is an additional paper collection called Clockwork Charm. I love it. 4 backgrounds, 4 pages, full of like clocks and ephemera and cases or stamps, chains, etc., etc. I love those. They're quite like on the steampunk verge, but not as, you know, not as that. It's more like vintage. I quite like the brown and, you know, the warmth of these pages here. Okay, so the starting point is actually the base of the belly band, which it will be a strip. Now, in this case, I'm going to use this page here because I really like this border. Also going to use this page here, which I'm going to cut this bit here, and I might cut the three envelopes there. And I think I'm going to use this page here, and I'm going to cut each individual element. I'm also going to use my ephemera pieces that we made a couple of weeks ago when I showed you how to use stamps to make 4 vintage ephemera. So I'm going to do some cutting and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all my bits and pieces cut. Now what I want to try to do, this is my journal. Where should we put this belly band? Oh, here, that's a nice... oh yeah, because I quite like these red berries. So what I was thinking... it's actually nice like this way as well. God, I wish you guys could help me. So if I glue it like that, you can slide documents like, or ephemera like that. If I glue it, like that, then you put things like that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for this option. Let me just make a mark where to cut it. I'm not going to glue to the journal. I'm going to make it first and then glue to the journal. So yes, I think that's going to go like that. And then this border is slightly bigger. Oh yeah, blank page. So I think we're going to go that way. So I need to cut this bit. I'm trying to save the strawberry, but I had to cut the bow, because what I would do then, glue top and bottom, and that's where you slide your ephemera. Yeah, okay, so this is for sale. It's on my eBay shop if you guys are interested. So yeah, so what we're going to do, considering that goes like that and that will go like that, I'm going to put all my decorations, all my little bits and pieces. I will not cover it all because I want it to be quite, yeah, I want you to be able to see. This is nice actually. I do like this envelope. I might just do something like that, and I might cover. I think this is a bit too big. Oh, I might use this little one there. Yeah, I might gonna do something like that. Right, let me glue everything and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is one, that one there, and this is the second one. So as you can see, different shapes, different layering. So this is very slim and tall, and this is kind of like on a T shape, if you wish. So this will be glued down on the journal on this side, and then you slice your ephemera or papers inside that way. This one will be glued just a little bit there and a little bit there, so you can slide your ephemera there. So these are belly bands, so that's what they're for. Right guys, I hope you like these papers for this month. I love them. If you wish to join my membership and get your hands on these wonderful digital papers, let me share where you can find it on my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc., etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then we have my VIP Lounge, my very, very popular monthly subscription. What is the VIP Lounge? It's basically a monthly subscription. You got two options, the £3 one or the £5 one, the gold monthly membership. With the £3 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website, unique digital design and collections, digital bookmarks and tags, a digital magazine you can download and read, a gift box template, and a gift from me every month. So you'll be able to download all these goodies every month through a link that I will send you. If you join with the £5 one, which is the gold monthly membership, you get everything that you get with the normal one, but also every month you get an additional digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So every month you can download one book a month between all of this, so you can collect them all. Okay guys, I'm looking forward to having you part of my monthly membership. You become a VIP member, lots of fun, lots of papers, lots of projects. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, so it's very much appreciated. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.